Two children, 7 and 13, are among 7 persons shot and injured along Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew in the vicinity of Seaview Gardens this afternoon. The 13-year-old who was shot in the head is said to be one of 2 victims in serious condition. The police say the shooting seems to have stemmed from a dispute.
Persons were in the vicinity of the bus stop along Spanish Town Road, but there seemed to be a conflict between at least 2 men. A bus came and one of the men tried to get onto the bus and shots were fired at him. At the end of the shooting, at least 6 persons, we understand, received injuries. Those persons were taken to hospital where they are currently being treated. And the investigators are now following a couple of lines of inquiries. We know that based on discussion with the commanding officer, they are carrying out some operations with the view of apprehending a person who they believe could assist them in the investigation.
Commanding officer of the St. Andrews South Police Division, Kirk Ricketts, says they are trying to identify the intended target of the attacker.
What we know is that Seaview Gardens, which is very close to here, that we do have a gang conflict in the space. In fact, since the incident, we are now carrying out a series of operations based on information we have gotten. So very soon, I believe that we'll have a better understanding of what caused today's incident.